Welcome to successbench channel. So today I am going to tell about set. So what's the set meaning, and with the example I will show you. It cannot accept duplicate values. In previous video you can watch, list can accept duplicate values, but the set cannot accept duplicate values. That means I will show you the example demo set 10 comma 20 comma 20 comma 30. So these 20 and 20 two values are there. One is real and the one is duplicate. So can you print demo set output? So it can accept 20 20 30 only. Okay, this 20 it will not accept because it is a duplicate values. That is the meaning of it cannot accept duplicate values. Then next point, it supports mathematical operations like insertion, differentiation, addition, like that. And it also hold multiple values. And set is unordered, means there is no particular order. You can write ascending or descending, like that. I will show you with example demo set 45 65 70 80. So you can see there is no order and there is no particular order. So even print dem set, even output also like that only, 40 45 65 70, like that only. So if you like this video, you can watch and you can share to your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you.